What if I told you that the next revolution in technology isn't AI, it's what comes after AI? And the company leading the charge just handed investors a massive clue about its future. Welcome back to the Daily Stock Drop, where we catch the falling knives so you don't have to. Today, we are locking in on a stock that has been absolutely screaming in the volatility charts. Rigetti Computing, ticker symbol RGTI. We've got a major CEO spotlight, a controversial insider selling plan, and a valuation gap that has Wall Street scratching its head. Is this the dip of a lifetime or a trap? If you're holding Rigetti or watching from the sidelines, you cannot afford to miss what's happening on January 13th. Let's dive in. Before we dive into today's massive update, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who loves the markets. Everything you hear in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing your hard-earned money. All right, let's talk about the news dropping right now. We are looking at a crucial update regarding Rigetti Computing. If you've seen the headlines, you might be seeing words like insider selling and getting nervous. But let me explain why this specific setup is actually bullish for smart investors. First off, the headline event. Rigetti is taking center stage at the 28th annual Needham Growth Conference this coming Tuesday, January 13th. Why does this matter? This isn't just a meet and greet. CEO Dr. Subodh Kulkarni is doing a fireside chat. In the world of stocks, a fireside chat is where the narrative gets built. This is Rigetti's chance to look institutional investors in the eye and prove their roadmap is on track. With the delay of their 108-qubit system to Q1 2026 for testing, the market is hungry for reassurance. This conference is the perfect platform for them to say, we aren't just fast, we are functional. Visibility leads to volume, and volume leads to price action. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the insider selling plan. The article highlights an insider selling plan. New investors panic when they see executives selling stock. But here is the Daily Stock Drop reality check. These are often 10b5-1 plans. That's fancy talk for pre-scheduled sales. These executives didn't wake up today and decide the company is doomed. These sales were likely set up months ago to diversify their personal assets. Knowing this is a planned event removes the fear that the CEO knows something bad is coming. It cleans up the narrative. And finally, the valuation. The data we are looking at suggests Rigetti might be significantly undervalued relative to its growth potential. Some metrics from Simply Wall Street specifically point to the stock being potentially 44% undervalued right now. Think about it. You have a sector-leading quantum computing firm sitting on cash, securing government contracts with the Air Force, and about to launch a 108-qubit system. If the market has priced in fear because of the delays and insider selling, but the actual value is much higher, that creates a massive gap. And as investors, we make money in the gap. So here is the bottom line. The Needham Conference on the 13th is the catalyst. The insider selling is noise, not a signal. And the valuation is looking tasty for anyone willing to stomach the volatility. Rigetti is preparing to show the world they are the real deal. Keep your eyes on the ticker this Tuesday. If you found value in this update, do me a favor. Drop a like on this video so the algorithm knows we're winning, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a daily drop. I'll see you in the next one.